So for today's video, we are going to talk about Synthesia and InVideo. So we are going to compare the two tools for video creation. So first, in Synthesia, it specializes in AI-generated video creation, which is the pros of this video creation tool is it offers high-quality avatars and some language support, of course, and an efficient content creation. So the cons of it is it only offers a limited customization. While in video, it is a video editing tool that is designed for creating engaging videos. So, the pros of it is it has extensive templates and it also offers easy editing and media library. So, the cons of InVideo is it has only a limited AI-driven features unlike Synthesia. So, in comparison, just choose Synthesia for AI-driven presentations and choose InVideo for traditional video editing and customization. And in conclusion, for AI video generation, just choose Synthesia because it's the best. And for creative control, InVideo is superior.